But now let's start with Teams Premium. And I want to start with a very specific discussion. Actually, I had another meeting a couple of minutes ago, and the most unclear information is about the Teams Premium license is which feature is available to which person. And yes, that's really, really tough because you have different features in your meetings. Today, I would like to talk about webinars and some benefits we have got with Teams Premium. Just to make it pretty clear at the very beginning, Microsoft is a little bit behind from the schedule. They actually announced about some features, but we will talk about this in more details during the presentation. This is not only a presentation. This will have some live content as well. So keeping fingers crossed that everything will run smoothly. Sorry. All right. Let's start. First of all, my name is Michael Plettner. You can find me on social media, on Twitter, on LinkedIn usually. But if you're interested to see a bit more about all the projects I do, you can follow the bio link and can look at my personal site where you can find different information from my company into success, but also about different projects. I'm not only a managing partner, I'm also the lead for the talk for the Microsoft Teams user group in Germany. I'm based in Germany next to Munich, and I'm having a German-speaking project together with a fellow MVP, Talk Microsoft 365, where we talk about Microsoft 365 topics. And one of the Viva explorers who may have heard about this movement. But you can also find some public presentations I have. Not about this topic. This is not on this GitHub repository, but you can find other presentations. So be happy, or you're welcomed to join this BioLink website, and you can find more details and presentation in the GitHub repository. But now let's start with Teams Premium. And I want to start with a very specific discussion. Actually, I had another meeting a couple of minutes ago, and the most unclear information is about the Teams Premium license is which feature is available to which person. And yes, that's really, really tough because you have different features in your meetings where you have different requirements. For example, you have some features which require the organizer is the only person who should have the Teams Premium license, and you have another license where, or another feature where you have the requirement every user needs this Teams Premium license. That makes it a little bit unclear because it's not available for every person. And especially this knowledge is not available for every person. Sorry. Not only the feature is not available for every person, but the knowledge is not available because you're not able to see it at any point, especially in a specific part of the presentation, or when you kick off something. Sometimes it's just not there, or it's not working as you expected it. So please contact your IT, or if you're responsible for the IT, please make it clear to your users what's the requirement. All right, for special features. My best example in this case is live caption translation. You may have heard about this. This is one feature which was available during, I would say, 4, 5, 6 months during the planning phase of Teams Premium, and then Microsoft released Teams Premium, or announced it at the first place, announced it and said, we will move live caption translation from a general availability, which was actually just a preview they clarified, to the Teams Premium license. And therefore, the live caption, which is available within Teams, and translate every single word you are currently speaking into another language, one of these famous 36 languages Microsoft is supporting at the first place. And there you have the translation as a live translation. So you are looking at the presentation, you hear the sound in, for example, English, and you can translate it in Chinese, for example, if you're more familiar with Chinese. Okay, it doesn't make sense in every case, in every situation, but it is a good way to understand the conversation, and it's more connected to your native language. This is something where you have to have the Teams Premium license if you're the organizer. If not, it's not available in the meeting. If you want to have a translation from the transcript, this is user-based, and there you need the Teams Premium license for every user. And this is a huge difference. And this is, as I said, you have to clarify this and explain this to your users. All right. Just to give a total overview about features which move to the Teams Premium license. Something you may have heard already during the different marketing announcements from Microsoft. The first one I was already talking about, the live translated captions. Next one is PowerPoint live chapters. If you have a presentation, you're recording your meeting right now, and you start the presentation with PowerPoint Live, which uploads the PowerPoint files and gives you more flexibility for the content and more features for all the I would say multimedia parts, for example, running a video or have a transition between slides. It's smoother in these scenarios. Then you would have a chapter automatically set whenever you switch one slide to the other by Teams Premium license in the recording. Time markers, also in the recording when someone left or joined the meeting. It's also planned. I haven't seen that working properly actually right now. To have a mention during the same recording. So whenever someone mentioned your name, then you have an @ sign in there, but it's rolling out. So Microsoft is working on this as well. And these three features has been announced quite a while ago, but it was not clear, is it a regular feature or is it coming to Teams Premium? All right. Custom organization, together mode scenes. There's the option to set up some together mode scenes and push them to the whole organization. This is related to the, yes, Teams Premium license. It was not related, but it moved. Virtual appointments is something pretty uncommon in the European room right now. I think a thing in US where you have more direct conversations, something like a doctor's appointment or something like a help desk appointment, something like that. There you can offer specific functionalities like you can you can book something and set up a virtual appointment right away from this booking there. And these features like SMS notifications, analytics, but also scheduled queue view are now Teams Premium.
Schön, dass du bis hierher geschaut hast. Wenn du das Video weiterschauen möchtest, dann melde dich einfach auf unserer Lernplattform M365 Circle an. In der Videobeschreibung findest du den Link, wie du da hinkommst, und du kannst dir natürlich auch für eine unserer weiteren Summits, M365 Summits, ein Ticket holen, kostenfrei, oder du unterstützt uns mit einem Supporter-Ticket. Also klick auf den Link in der Beschreibung und schau dir das vollständige Video an. Wenn du uns weiter noch unterstützen möchtest, dann kannst du auch unseren YouTube-Channel abonnieren und am besten noch die Glocke aktivieren. Und vielen Dank, dass du bei der nächsten Summit auch mit dabei bist.